Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best gold purse chains is probably one of the most sought-after accessories for elevating your handbag game, and today, we're diving deep into the world of luxurious purse chains, exploring various styles, materials, and functionalities to help you find the perfect golden accent that complements your personal style and enhances your everyday carry. Number 5. HAHIYO Purse Chain Strap. This stylish chain strap adds a touch of elegance to your favorite purse. It's the perfect length for crossbody or shoulder wear, ensuring comfortable all-day use. With a total length of 43.3 inches, it sits perfectly at your hip when worn crossbody or at your waist as a sling bag. It's designed to complement various bag styles and sizes. The light gold tone is just right, not too yellow, not too pale. It's a beautiful, high-quality finish that will match the gold accents on your purse. At 0.4 inches wide, it's comfortable enough for all-day wear. The flat design prevents digging into your shoulder, and it's surprisingly lightweight. It's made from extra thick 2.4mm metal for durability, and the clasps are solid and long-lasting. It's built to withstand daily use. It's ideal for shoulder bags, handbags, clutches, or as a replacement strap. It's the versatile accessory your bag collection needs. What we like? It's the ideal length for crossbody or sling bags, sitting perfectly at your hip or waist. The light gold color is just right, not too yellow or fake-looking. Plus, its flat design ensures comfortable wear, even for extended periods. If you need a versatile, comfortable chain that's the perfect shade of gold, this is the one for you. What people say. Having the additional length with my crossbody bags is great. These are durable and stylish. This chain is high quality. Looks beautiful on my bag. Nice weight and works better than I expected. My favorite leather purse with lots of pockets has silver hardware and had a ragged worn strap. 215+ chains made the look snappier and new again. Number 4. Worker DIY Iron Chain Strap. This stylish and durable chain strap is perfect for upgrading your favorite bag. It's easy to install and will add a touch of elegance to any purse. Made from high-quality iron, it's resistant to fading and rust. You can trust it to look great and last for years to come. Each chain measures 8mm wide and 2.5mm thick, ensuring a perfect fit for most bags. The sturdy buckles are 3.3 cm long. It's ideal for purses, handbags, clutches, and more. Easily transform your bag's look with this versatile accessory. The 360-degree rotating metal buckles make installation a breeze. Simply attach it to your bag and you're ready to go. The polished design ensures a smooth and comfortable feel. Make sure to measure your current strap to ensure a proper fit. What we like? Made from high-quality iron, it's built to last and won't rust or fade easily. The sturdy buckles ensure a secure attachment to your bag. The smooth finish makes it comfortable against your skin. If you value durability and a smooth, comfortable feel, this chain is a great choice. Number 3. Luxiv Purse Chain. This beautiful chain is perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your handbag. It's made from high-quality metal and is built to last. It's crafted from durable, polished metal that resists tarnish and corrosion. You can trust it to stay beautiful for years to come. At 47 inches long, it's the ideal length for crossbody or shoulder wear. The chain is also a comfortable width and weight. Choose from gold, silver, or black to perfectly match your style and your bag. Find the perfect complement to your look. With removable buckles, it's easy to attach and detach from your bag. It works with a variety of bags, from clutches to crossbody bags. To keep it looking its best, simply wipe it with a soft cloth when needed. With proper care, it will remain a stylish accessory for years. What we like? Crafted from high-quality metal with anti-corrosion properties, it's built to withstand daily wear and tear. Its sleek design adds a touch of luxury to any bag. It's also a great gift option. If you're looking for a durable, stylish, and luxurious chain, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This one, however, has held up remarkably, for well over a year. It's only just started to show the copper color under the gold coating, which is amazing because I used it regularly throughout last summer, which was a hot, sweaty one. The clips still work perfectly too. It has a good weight to it and has a nice gold finish. It's a pretty gold, really sturdy, and long enough to wear my purse not only over the shoulder but as a crossbody that falls right at my side hip as well. Number 2. HAHIYOPS Purse Chain. This stunning chain adds a touch of elegance to any handbag. It's the perfect way to update your look and create a unique style. Its sleek, golden design offers a modern twist on a classic accessory. It's sure to elevate your everyday style. Made with polished, multi-layer electroplating, it boasts a smooth and glossy finish. It's built to last and will remain beautiful for years to come. At 47.2 inches, it's the perfect length for various bags and styles. Use it as a shoulder strap, crossbody strap, or even as a decorative element. It's simple to attach to your favorite bag and easily removable when you want a different look. Transform your bag in seconds. Please note that due to lighting and display settings, the color may vary slightly from what you see on screen. But it's just as beautiful in person. What we like? This chain boasts a brilliant shine thanks to its multi-layer electroplating. Its 47-inch length offers great versatility. It's perfect for adding a touch of modern style to your handbag. If you want a chain that's both stylish and functional, this is a great option. What people say? Hefty without adding weight. Total upgrade your bag's look. This chain is gorgeous and held up well in humidity and by the coast. It can be used as an accent for your bag, or a nice short handheld chain. It seems quite sturdy. I love the way it looks and have revived compliments. It was very easy to just clip onto existing hardware. The satchel seems very secure. It is very smooth and doesn't have any sharp edges to catch on skin or clothing. Number 1. WEICHUAN 47 DIY Purse Chain Strap. Give your favorite handbag a stylish update with this versatile chain strap. It's perfect for adding a touch of elegance or a pop of color. This replacement strap is ideal for various bags, from handbags and purses to clutches and crossbody bags. It easily transforms your look. It features sturdy metal buckles for a secure fit. The buckles are designed to work with most bag rings. At 47 inches, it's long enough to wear as a crossbody or double it up for a shoulder bag. You can easily adjust it to your preference. It weighs approximately 170 grams. Please keep this in mind when deciding if it's right for your bag and style. Please note that due to lighting, the color may appear slightly different in person than in the listing image. What we like? It can be used as a single crossbody strap or doubled up as a shoulder strap, offering ultimate versatility. The sturdy buckles ensure a secure fit, and its removable design allows for easy switching between bags. If you need a versatile and easily adaptable chain, this one is perfect for you. What people say? The 47-inch length is adjustable, which is fantastic because it allows me to customize the strap to the perfect fit for either a shoulder bag or crossbody style. The flat iron design gives it a chic, modern look, and it adds a bit of elegance to my purse that wasn't there with the old strap. Visually, this chain is exactly what I was hoping for, and then some. It has that beautiful gold shine that catches the light just enough to get noticed, but not in a fake jewelry sparkle kind of way. This is grown, classy, and clean. The quality is superb. Heavy chain, nice quality, looks exactly like the picture. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.